Welcome back to our Bluesy Water channel. So in a previous video we showed you a simple neck traction device and how that could help, along with using a vibration machine, unwind your neck. Now here's another tool. We've done videos, many videos on this tool. I just want to go over a simple neck technique. This is called the rapid release. If you're interested in this tool, please contact us, andrew@bluesywater.com. We do provide discounts to anybody who contacts us, to practitioners and anybody who just mentions our videos. Alrighty, so this is it. Now just go over the principles. The vibration machine, like I said, is a jackhammer. It has an intense on-off hits. It's kind of like running on steroids. One could not replicate that kind of repetition of vibration when running, but running creates vibration in the body. Now, vibration therapy has an enormous amount of benefits. If you look at our comprehensive detox, it's our primary tool, along with our Bluesy Water for detox. It's amazing for trauma. It mimics what animals do, the shaking and trembling. So it's also amazing for body work because that vibration allows that unwinding or release or breaking up of connective tissue. Now, if you have a very stubborn area in the body, such as the neck, then you can use this tool, and let me turn it on real quick. This tool was designed to break up scar tissue. It's used a lot by chiropractors. So locally, when used on a specific area, you can break up scar tissue, and if you use key neuromuscular techniques, you can break up a lot of connective tissue. As with any other tools, it's only as good as the person using the tool. So we're going to show, but if you use the vibration machine, that actually gives you a great leg up as far as home therapy, because the whole body now is trembling and vibrating. So it's already being potentiated for this machine. So if you have a neck problem, simply while you're standing on the vibration machine, and just going to make it simple for now, just go where the pain is and just track while the machine is on. Track that area. Now, I was in an auto injury many years ago, so I tend to sometimes have a little bit of right side connective tissue issues, a little bit of compromise on the vertebra. So if you want to learn more specific kind of techniques, or if you had somebody who could help you work on your neck, we can do some trainings over the phone for some simple home procedures. You can use some neuromuscular tricks, which I don't want to demonstrate right now because it's probably best done with somebody helping you. And so, once again, send me an email at andrew@bluesywater.com. We can set up a session, train you how to use this device. Now, for those of you already on the rapid release, we can show you some innovative skills. If you don't own a rapid release, please contact me. We can get you one at a discount. Just mention this video. Alrighty, so once again, we're going to try the tractioning. We're going to get on the vibration machine, gently wag our head. Then we're going to take off the traction device and use this tool while on the vibration machine to release very stubborn connective tissue areas. By the way, this machine, we have many videos on other applications, just quickly to review. It is amazing on the organs. You can basically, what we call power flush, or clean your organs. So if you're on your liver, you just simply stand on the vibration machine, work around the organ, the liver, and you can do that with all your organs. And once again, this is an amazing machine. If you have a lot of emotional trauma or a history of trauma, this mimics how animals release trauma by trembling and shaking. Please take a look at our trauma release program. And vital is to take a look at our comprehensive detox program. The vibration machine, think of it as like an agitator on a washing machine. You drink the Bluesy Water, it's like putting the soap in the machine. You get on the vibration machine and it literally power cleanses your body. So please look at our comprehensive detox. We have some recent videos on our more intensive detox program. Vital not only to health and well-being, but it's vital also for the fascia and the connective tissue to get these profound cleansing of the fascia itself, the cellular cleanse of the body. So this is an amazing tool using the vibration machine in combination with rapid release to do high-level work on many, many levels. If you have any questions, please contact me, andrew@bluesywater.com, and have a wonderful holiday season. Thank you.